everyone, in this video I'm taking you on a short journey to a coastline that doesn't even feel real. A place where turquoise turns electric and every headland feels untouched. This is Esperance, Western Australia, and it might just be the most beautiful stretch of coast I've ever seen. Let's begin. Lucky Bay, kind of place that almost feels imagined. The sand's blindingly white, the water electric, and somehow kangaroos just wander the beach like it's the most normal thing in the world. I'd heard about a small beach nearby, so I followed the trail. Met a few kind people along the way. Those small, unexpected moments that make the whole journey feel alive again. And then, as the path opened up, there it was. Even better than I'd imagined. One of those places that reminds you how lucky we are to call this Australia. Esperance has been on my list for years, and somehow it's even more beautiful in person than I'd imagined. There's something about this place, the way the light hits the water. It doesn't just reflect, it glows, like the whole coastline is alive. Everywhere you look, there's this feeling that nature's not just scenery, she's presence. She's watching. And sometimes she shows herself. A glance in the waves, an eye in the sea. By the end of my time here, it felt like the land was looking back. Rock face just protruding out of the sea, as if it was the bones of the ocean, reminding me who's really in charge of beauty. Mother Nature, of course. The original artist. Until next time.